office administration in the medical field, what you're learning is primarily secretarial work. You're learning the medical terminology, transcription, and you're learning how to assist the medical staff in making sure everything remains in its place.
So in this program, we're lucky enough to have a co-op section in our third semester. So that gives students an opportunity to apply to either work in hospitals, doctors' offices, or any kind of local service care-driven facilities. So I would be particularly interested in joining in a hospital, working behind the scenes with doctors and nurses, but you could also expand that to any kind of community care, anything that involves an administrative assistant, we're there.
What you get at St. Clair is a feeling of togetherness. You also get small class sizes, a lot of one-on-one time with your instructors, and very good, clear instructions from what to expect in your future, how to get a career, and just the small intangibles that you don't get from larger classes.
Particularly, I enjoy this campus because it's a smaller, more compact campus, but it has the amenities of a larger campus while maintaining a smaller student body. So I have access to all of the resources that a larger campus has, but with fewer people to share them with. So I get a great value out of my experience in education. The professors are always very interested in their students. They value our work, they value our time, and they're very interested in getting us to succeed.